Welcome to IAER, Institute of Advanced Education and Research, based in Kolkata, the City of Joy. Today our students are visiting Qazi Nazlam Airport, Durgapur, for a hands-on learning experience. As our journey brings us to the vibrant and industrial city of Durgapur, known for its rich heritage and modern advancements, students from IAER Institute of Advanced Education and Research arrive. Surrounded by lush greenery and the Damodar River, Durgapur stands as a symbol of progress and beauty. Today, our students are ready to explore the Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport, where a unique learning experience awaits. After a smooth journey, our students from IAER College arrived in Durgapur and checked into their hotel, excited for the unique learning experience ahead. The next morning, refreshed and ready, they embarked on a visit to Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport. This visit offered an incredible opportunity for hands-on learning, giving our students a chance to witness real-world aviation operations and expand their understanding of airport management and logistics. Each step brought them closer to experiencing the practical side of what they've been studying in the classroom. Our specialist is explaining the taxiway center line to the students. This crucial line guides aircraft safely along the taxiway, ensuring that pilots maintain the correct path as they navigate between the runway and terminal. Inside the airport, our specialists explain the key facilities that enhance the passenger experience. our specialist is explaining the airport fire truck to the students. This vital vehicle is designed specifically for emergency response at airports. Equipped with advanced firefighting technology, it features high-capacity water tanks and powerful pumps that can deliver large volumes of water quickly. The fire truck is capable of navigating the airfield with agility, ensuring it can reach an incident site in minutes. Its specialized hoses and nozzles are tailored for combating aircraft fires, where rapid response is critical. Furthermore, these trucks are often staffed by highly trained firefighters who are prepared to handle a variety of emergencies, from minor incidents to major disasters. Understanding the role of the airport fire truck is essential for our students as they learn about airport operations and safety measures. As we conclude our visit, this experience has provided our students with invaluable insights into the operations and safety measures that keep airports running smoothly. From understanding critical aspects like the taxiway centerline to learning about emergency response systems, this hands-on exposure at Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport has been an essential part of their learning journey.
Anubhav, which part of the training was your favorite?
So me personally, I'll say for me the security part of the training was absolutely like the most interesting for me.
Tell me, which part of the training was your favorite?
My favorite part was the ARFF part, which is aircraft rescue and firefighting training, because it is daring and I love adventurous things, so that's why.
How was the whole training for you?
So first of all, I want to say thank you, sir, and thank you to my whole team to give me the opportunity to train over here. And if I talk about my favorite part of this training, first is security and second is firefighter.
Which part of this training was your favorite?
Actually, I love the security part.
Which was the favorite part for in this whole training for you?
For me, it was the terminal area.
And I love the part of ARFF and ATC, Air Traffic Controller.
I want to be the part of this security department.
About the security, I want to go in it and I want to live the part that they're living now.
So I like terminal and air fighters.
We are proud to offer such opportunities for our students at IAER, ensuring they are well prepared for their future careers. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey.